Hello Aries, how are you? The end of August 2022. I have a message for you. Yeah, I usually don't show how I look, and no, I'm not a Satanist. No, I don't offer yet tarot readings, but I practice what I preach. Let's see what the spirit has for you. Yeah, that's Messiah Esoterica. Okay, let's see. Aries. Aries. The end of August 2022. You are the conqueror. And I may tell you that if you chose the bride, the time is simply right. I don't feel that I rhyme. Yeah, you see? Just you are so happy to choose. When it comes to work, you chose the right option. You chose the right investment for the end of August 2022. When it comes to love life, you have somebody on your mind who is just like you, attracting you in a way that you think only about that person to give her or him the whole world. Yeah, Aries, you can do it. You are the king of the kings and you rule. Okay, and what's more about health? When it comes to health, like a riding horse, perfect in bed, better in work, and health. What I say about health? You rest best in nature. I know that video games, I know that technologies, friends, parties, drinking is great, but I see here nature. If you rest in nature, you will rejuvenate. So that's all I want to tell you. Have a brilliant the end of August 2022, and I hope that when I will start to do tarot readings, I will inform you. Ciao, Aries.